Right, this piece of video is to show you the cable. The cable housing got taken off when it stopped responding, and it was originally the black cable. This is the cable it took off. I'll just show you. It's now the red one that's not working properly, and I can assure you it was the black one to start with. There must be some stretch or break in it somewhere where it partially connects, because I had intermittent faults with it through this cable. But this cable sparked and was burny. Now there's the black one working, just to prove me wrong. There we go. See, that's the black one working. The red one shows nothing. And that's not the way it was when it first went. So as you can see, the test is showing us the black one's okay and the red one isn't. Either way, one broken cable. So just to get the battery working and to get back on the bike, I decided I would take the connection off and put a new cable on it. As you can see, whatever is wrong with that is not the only thing that's wrong. This surges in power. Right, so it's a 42 volt battery, not a 36 volt one. Now attached the plug, the 4-pin plug, to a brand new bit of cable. And just to prove it works, you can see it here. I'll do the same test here. And both the red pins. Now both the back pins. So that's clearly working. And it's just hot glue that's on it. It's soldered and hot glue. That's all that's holding it together, and it was just to keep the battery working. Now there's the fuse that went. It's 20 millimeters by 5 millimeters, and it's unmarked. It's completely unmarked. I don't know if it's a 1 amp, 2 amp, a 3 amp. So if you could give me the information about that, I'll know what to replace it with if it ever goes again in the new one. So I'm just going to put that back in there, and you can't use ordinary fuses because of the size of the housing, so you buy them specific. There it goes. Now the battery's got power. I charged that and there it's flashing green. Now it just goes off again. As soon as you press that button, it goes off again. But at least, even with the fuse in it, you can see that there's power in that battery. Now with the cable on, and I've proved the cable already. Right way around. With the cable on, and the fuse broken, there's no power. This just proves it. It's only way to prove the fuse. A picture of a fuse is just a picture of a fuse. So that's the test ready to get done. The audio was bad, the batteries on my camera were bad. I've had to do this a couple of times. Then it's easier to just talk over it. So that's the voltage test that's getting done here. So let's just to prove the fuse is the problem here. The circuit's broken. Nothing coming through. There's the details, and it is a 3610, and whenever I test it on the meter it was a 42 volt, not a 36. It needs to be 36 for it to be legal on British roads. Hope this helps you.